Dito na naman kami sa kanyang lupain. What's that? Orange?
Orange and there with lemon.
Lemon and orange. Orange nga. Ayun, orange. What else you have? You have you have mango?
Mango, no.
No? You have grapefruit?
Yes. Here we have orange and here we have lemon. Mango lemon.
Mm-hmm. Ayun ang fig. Ayun ang bahay.
You can
Yung
pick up
kanilang mga
orange.
Hmm?
You can take
It's small.
huh?
There is no big orange. Ano nga ba sinasabi ko? Mga ganitong mga ganitong sitwasyon eh. Ayoko eh. Aray ko. Mga ba sinasabi ko yung mga ganito. I pick one.
Take another one.
Pick another one. I want big. I want to find the big one. Big one and an orange. You know. Bumili tayo ng orange eh. Meron ka palang puno ng orange. Give me. Where you want?
I want to visit the lemon.
In the lemon? I will go. I will go to the lemon. Be careful. Appa. Be careful. And now this is the lemon tree. The lemon tree. Hello. Like this? Yeah. Wow. Ayan, ang lalaki ng lemon nila. Be careful. Where are you going? Be careful. Nakalaki ng lupain nyo. Pamanan nyo kaya sa akin to. Matuwa ako sa inyo. Diba? Wow. Ayan, mga lupain nila. What else? Oh, wow.
Lemon. Beautiful lemon.
Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful lemon. Beautiful orange. Beautiful field. Beautiful land. Oh, wow. And here is the oranges. This is the orange. Jungle. We are in the jungle. We are in the jungle.
Yes.
What? Lemonade.
Lemon. Many lemons.
You have a lot of lemon.
Very good for the
Be careful. You have lemon. What do you want?
Pick up.
I will pick for you.
Okay.
What?
Three lemons.
3 lemon.
Ito talaga. Saway ka talaga eh.
Mm. We will take a shower here, you know. You will make me a shower here. Wow. You are so jungle. Yung malaking lemon. Naku, talaga naman. Talaga naman. Oh, okay. It's 3 already. It's enough.
How many?
3. Apa. Okay. I want to take a shower here.
You want? You want to shower?
Ito na. Ayan, napuno na yung bulsa ko.
Beautiful flower.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Opa.
This ako okay.
Is it good?
Good too. Better good.
Betak good. Talaga naman. Oh, they have echidnia. Ah. Okay ko. Ano ba yan? We are in the jungle. Ang lola. Talaga naman. Kanya sa jungle. Ikaw pala eh. Ikaw pala eh, taga-jungle. Naku, baka... Mami! I'm scared maybe there is a snake here.
What?
I'm scared maybe there are snake here. No snake? Are you sure? May ahas dito ha, ikaw ha. Saan mo kung jungle dinadala ha. Yung jungle nyo. Okay.
Slow water
I will slow the water.
and see.
Okay, be careful.
Yes.
Be careful. Hold my hand. Talaga. Matibay. Ayaw magpa-hold. Sige na, ikaw na. Ikaw na malakas. Ikaw na matibay. We took some lemon and orange and the pigs and echidnia. I will off the water. It's enough?
Yes.
Okay.
No, I want to water also this.
On the other side?
Yes.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You go first. I will go first. Wait a minute. Di pa siya tapos. Okay.